In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically open downloads in Chrome. If you want Chrome to make your finished downloads easier to access, this is a quick setting you can turn on in just a moment. Once enabled, Chrome will clearly show you when a download is finished, so you don't have to go searching through folders or wonder whether the file is ready yet. This can be especially helpful if you download documents, images, or other files regularly and want a smoother workflow. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're on the main browser window so you can access the menu and settings without any distractions. If Chrome is already open, you're ready to move on. Next, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its browser controls and customization options. When the menu opens, you'll see a list of actions and settings related to your browsing experience. From that menu, click Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page, where you can adjust how the browser behaves. Depending on your version of Chrome, the Settings page may appear in a new tab, which is completely normal. Once you're in Settings, find and click Downloads. This section controls how Chrome handles files that you download from the internet. It includes options related to where files are saved and how download activity is displayed in the browser. Now, look for the option that says Show Downloads when they're done and turn that toggle on. When this setting is enabled, Chrome will show completed downloads more clearly, making it easier to open or locate them right away after they finish downloading. This is useful if you want quicker access to your files without having to manually search for them each time. After you switch that setting on, the change is usually saved automatically, so there's no need to click a separate save button. You can simply close the Settings tab and continue using Chrome as normal. If you don't see the exact wording right away, don't worry. Chrome's settings can sometimes look slightly different depending on the version you're using, but the Downloads section is still the right place to check. Just look for the option related to showing completed downloads, and that's it. You've now updated Chrome, so finished downloads are easier to notice and access. If this setting ever becomes distracting, you can return to the same downloads area and switch it off at any time.